Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Azulle BYTE4 Elite Mini Desktop PC, a unique machine designed not for everyday use, but for industrial and commercial applications. Let's see if it's the right fit for your specific needs. The Azulle BYTE4 Elite Mini Desktop PC isn't your typical desktop computer. It's crafted with a specific purpose in mind. Think industrial kiosks, digital signage, and IoT solutions. This compact powerhouse packs an Intel Core i5 processor and is available as a barebones system, allowing for customizable configurations tailored to different uses. Visually, the BYTE4 Elite resembles more of a networking device with its prominent antennas and compact size. It's designed for functionality, featuring a mix of tough plastic and metal, with VESA mount options for easy installation. Ports are strategically placed for easy access when mounted. One standout feature is its robust connectivity, boasting powerful Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. It's equipped with 3 HDMI ports and supports 4K resolution, making it ideal for high-quality display applications like digital signage. Performance-wise, the BYTE4 Elite excels in its niche. It handles tasks like managing interactive kiosks and running 4K content smoothly, thanks to its efficient cooling system and solid-state drive. While not designed for gaming or intensive graphics tasks, it shines in reliability and operational longevity. In conclusion, the Azulle BYTE4 Elite Mini Desktop PC is a specialized tool crafted for industrial and commercial environments where reliability and performance underpin its value. If you're looking for a compact, versatile solution for digital signage or IoT, this could be your go-to choice. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. See you next time on Product Critique.